Investing is the act of putting your money into assets with the goal of growing your wealth over time. The primary objective of investing is to have your money work for you, rather than just sitting in a standard bank account. While returns are never guaranteed, the stock market has historically provided growth that helps combat the rising cost of living. Investors typically choose from these categories to build a diversified portfolio that aligns with their personal risk tolerance. Saving is for your short-term needs, while investing is for long-term goals that are years or decades away. Compound interest means your earnings generate their own earnings. The longer your money stays invested, the faster it can grow. Trying to predict the perfect time to buy or sell is rarely successful. Consistency is generally considered a more reliable strategy. Always do your own research before committing funds. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more finance basics.